G'day ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zach and welcome back to Printed, the place where we 100% paint our models before we print any new ones. Getting straight into this week's hobby highlight. It's been a couple weeks since I have released a video. My apologies for the delays. I have been working hard on some things though, and I have finally finished the Terminators, which took me way longer than I thought that they would. Now, I painted 2 squads up at once. I was going to include Marneus Calgar and his Honor Guard in the video, but after kind of working with it for a little bit, I'm most likely going to turn them into their own video because I want to do something separate for them and so some really cool detailing on them, which hopefully I'll do soon. But I have recorded the 3 videos simultaneously. The Terminator one is all done and dusted because I also did the movement trace with them and I wanted to focus on that. I did also print a Titan, which I'm very, very excited for. There will be a video coming up on that bad boy very, very soon. He is currently sitting in the bucket. Specifically, this bucket right here. He is sitting all printed up in, not processed yet fully. He's still got a few supports and everything on him, but I will 100% be assembling him in a video. I don't think I'll paint him in the same video because it's quite a monumental job. Might be a few part kind of series, but I want to do something cool with this. It is I won't say exactly what it's for, I'll say that for the video, but I'm very, very excited to get him done and dusted. Now, last but not least, spoilers, slightly for a video in a few weeks. I have actually had a small company reach out, and they were very, very kind enough to send me some models. I won't mention who they are yet, because I want to save that for the video. I've got some really cool Togepi 28 style plates for them. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. I'm very, very excited and really, really appreciative that they took the time to reach out and send them to me. And yeah, I cannot wait to show you what they are. But I won't say too much. I want to save it for the video, so it's a bit of a surprise. Jumping right over to the hobby headlines. I won't mention too much about the Games Workshop stuff because you guys have probably seen it everywhere. But long story short, Skating Tide has released and I'm super, super excited to maybe get my hands on some of the Skabity boys. There's plenty of Skaven armies on Facebook Marketplace right now, and I'm forever holding myself back from buying more because I need to paint my stuff first. 100%. There's a little potential out there, and if you want to check out how it's going, jump into the description and click on that link down there, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. But I love the models in it. Very, very cool. But one thing I do want to talk about is Maelstrom Design Works. Yes, Maelstrom Design Works creates some of the coolest 40k-esque vehicles I've ever seen. And the best part about them is they have all these canopy things and like extra turrets and like details. Not only on the outside, but they also have stuff on the inside. And I would love to get my hands on some of their models because I would kill to be able to magnetize them all so that I can paint the inside and then like not have to worry about opening it and then see all the stuff in there. Just, I love it. Now, they've done some really cool Taggy style things, which you can see over here. They've also done some like Redemptor sort of Dreadnought-esque style, kind of in a similar vein to like the old, the Dreadnoughts and things like the Boxy Noughts. I love them so freaking much. But yes, I would love to get my hands on them. And for whatever reason, I love the CAD renders of basically anything. They just seem to look fantastic. And yeah, I really like hands on. I might try maybe buying one, maybe do it for a video if you guys are keen to see that. You know, it'd be like a little Space Marine transport kind of typey thingy. And I really want to get my hand on it. It's so freaking cool. And for the looks of it, they have enough detail to tickle my fancy, but not too much to the point where I'm just like, I don't want to paint this anymore. It's too complicated. Yeah, I'm super, super keen to do that. Now, moving on to the next thing that I kind of want to showcase is a cheeky little game by the name of Core. And you've most likely heard about it. I didn't realize that JD did a video on it, and then also Mishmash did a video on it. I actually originally saw Mishmash's video, and then they mentioned that JD did a video on it from Eon the Battle. And I never knew that I needed this game in my life. And it's so hard right now because I've got all the stuff in my pile that I genuinely need to get through. But like, the story and setting of Core is so interesting. It's basically like a World War II-esque aardvark society, and it has like a bunch of different races or not different races, but different colonies and things, all with their unique kind of styles of battle and that. And I really, really love just everything about it. Now, I don't know if I'll do a dedicated video. I probably will eventually, but for the time being, I just want to mention it here because I want more people to get their eyes on it. It's literally made by an independent studio who is very, very passionate about it. Apparently, it's been going since 2009, which is really, really cool to see. So it's been around for a while, but I personally have not heard about it until this week. And my God, when I saw everything about it, was absolutely incredible. Now, I actually really struggle to find the models in Australia. I haven't been able to find a provider besides, I think maybe one place in Australia, maybe. But for the most part, I have to go overseas and import and buy that. So if you guys know of anyone in Australia, or if you are a local game shop who stocks them and you're watching this video, please, dear God, let me know and I will buy at least one box set off you. I just want to paint some cheeky little aardvark, guys, and just have a little bit of fun with it. Just let me know in the description, in the comments down below. I would love to check that out. Your store ticket, and I wouldn't mind giving y'all a shout out as well if you do. Yes, absolutely love the setting. They do also have a My Mini Factory where you can subscribe to their tribe every month. And basically, I don't know if they release, from the looks of it, they don't release like full models on there besides maybe a couple of vehicles every now and again. But for the most part, the My Mini Factory thing just adds extra bits and stuff that you can glue onto your models in the like the little plastic kits and kind of make them look cooler in a sense. Yes, I've really learned my hands on some cool models and just, yeah, had much fun with them because I feel like they tickle a different part of my brain than Warhammer. They're not super complicated, you know, a bit of fun with them. I don't care about being lore accurate. I just want to paint funny little aardvark guys. Maybe I'll pick one like Arthur from Arthur, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, it's very, very, very keen to do that. Finally, everyone, it is time for this week's hobby hero, and I don't think I've covered them before, but I think I followed them on Instagram for a while. I just want to give a massive shout out to Help I'm Addicted to Plastic, an absolutely incredible painter, as always, in these hobby hero videos. But I actually love their style of painting. It's very vibrant, it's very different. They are not afraid to do something different with all their models. I've recently seen a bunch of the stuff that they've been doing, like Tyranids and that sort of thing. Specifically their Norn Simulator, I think that's what it's called. Absolutely incredible model. They've got these like amazing gradients on it, like very, very defined armor, striking colors on the siding talons and everything. Because I have noticed recently on their profile they have been painting a massive amount of Tyranid models, and I'm really, really excited to see what they do next. Hopefully a little bit more Tyranids because I freaking love the Nids. They're just such a cool thing. He also went as far as painting an entire Hierophant Biotitan, which absolutely insane. It looks incredible. I'm going to have a bunch of images going over here, and yeah, probably show a couple of the other things as well, because he has painted a few more things other than Tyranids, but it's mostly been Tyranids as of recently. So it kind of really inspired me to maybe try some different paint jobs, and even like a few people that I've noticed on YouTube, a few up-and-comers have been doing some wonderful paint jobs and kind of leaning away from that Games Workshop style in a sense. So I'm going to try myself and do something kind of fun and unique. So yes, maybe keep your eyes peeled for some cool painting tutorials in the future, but for the time being, I will have to leave the video there. So massive shout out to everyone. Thank you so much for watching this far through. I will hopefully have videos a bit more consistently over the next few weeks. No guarantees though, because life is kind of hectic right now, and I'm trying to work everything out. But nonetheless, if you did indeed enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like on it. If you're new here, I would love to see your friendly face and join our awesome community of hobby heroes. And maybe one day I will be able to see all of your paint jobs in possibly a Discord or something. I know I keep talking about it, but every day I get closer and closer to doing it. So everyone, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.